Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Ninja's Backbling. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking backbling, and to begin we're going to draw in the little strap in the middle. So just drawing one long rectangle first. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw in the rest of the wrap. So just kind of come in slightly from the rectangle. Just go up. Close that off, so it's going to be a smaller rectangle. And then now we'll continue this, because this is one full piece. So we'll continue with this line here. You make two little dots on the bottom. And then we'll go down. Close it off. Alright, so that's the overall shape, and now let's add in finish up the details up here. So to continue on with strap, just come out, just a small little rectangle, a little bit rounded. And here's the buckle, so just draw a little tube. And then from here, just kind of curve it out, and then same thing on the bottom. Just curve it out and then just close it off. And then to finish this part off, I'm just gonna add one little bump here, just a small little detail. And then another one in here. Okay, so let's come back up in here in the middle and we'll add in all the cool little details. So right here on this rectangle, I'm just gonna draw two lines, top and bottom. And then there's gonna be two stripes. So I'm going to draw one stripe here. So this part's going to be white. And then come over and just draw one more. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but once I color these, we'll be able to make out those white stripes. Alright, and then from here, right in the center here, just draw a little rectangle. And then one more inside. And then now for the details, right here, just come up from the side of the rectangle, and then we'll slant this out to this side, and then just continue with this, just go up. Okay, so once we have this line right here, we're gonna add a border. So right here, just come in, just go up slightly higher than this, slant, stop a little bit short, and then we'll go up. So we're just adding a little border right here. Continue up and then go all the way out across. Okay, so that's the middle part of the back bling, and then now for the swords. In the center here, I'm just gonna draw two lines. So here's one of the swords, we'll go out, and then here's the other one. So just past this point, so just come back down and then just connect that. Okay, and then now for the handles. So right in the center of each of one of these, we'll just go up. Just draw a rectangle. Same thing here. So this one's gonna go up, but it's not gonna be as long as this one. So just make it a little bit shorter. Okay, and then now to cap it off right here, it's a little bit of slant. So we'll go up. It's gonna slant this way on this side. And then for this one, it's gonna go this side. Okay, and then in the middle right here, just gonna draw two little triangles for the details on the handle. Same thing here. Alright, so that's the top part, and then for the bottom, we're just gonna be extending these lines here. Okay, so just come down. Just kind of imagine this line going right through. Make a little point. Just come straight down. Same thing here. Just come down, make a little point. Okay, and then once you have those points, just go all the way down. Just make this a little bit shorter because we're going to be slanting up. Just come down, and then for this part it's a little bit tricky. Just envision this slant right here. So we're going to be stopping right here. I know my line's a little bit wobbly. Okay, same thing here. We'll just close it off with a slant. And then right on the very tip here, just gonna draw 2 slants right here. And then on this sword, there's gonna be some straps. So just draw 2 lines across, 1 starting here, slant, slant. Alright, so that is it for this back bling. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.